The Bentley 2 is an oscillating ceiling fan with a cage-style design that provides focused airflow for cooling specific areas in rooms and covered patios. The fan is damp-rated for covered outdoor use and is wall control operated. The 18-inch blade span is perfectly suited for small spaces that are 10 by 10 feet or smaller. The fan should be installed on regular ceilings with a recommended height of 9 feet or higher. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. First, turn off power at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the bottom canopy cover. Remove the non-slotted mounting bracket screw and loosen the remaining slotted screw. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the fan motor assembly, leave the included stopper in place during the entire installation process. Remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the downrod assembly, place the canopy ring, and coupling cover. Feed the motor's wires through the downrod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Align the hanger bracket over the holes, then insert and tighten the removed screws. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling box. Ensure the fan is rotated in the direction you would like it to oscillate. Slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. To install the wall remote, your outlet box will need 2 hot wires that go from the wall box to the ceiling box. The primary hot wire is usually black, and the secondary hot wire is usually red. Bring the wall control to the wall box. Use a wire nut to combine the wire labeled for oscillation from the wall control with the secondary hot wire from the box. Combine the wire labeled to motor from the wall control with the primary hot wire from the box. Combine the wire labeled AC in L from the wall control with the AC power wire from the box. Combine the wire labeled ground from the wall control with the ground wire from the wall box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Tuck the connections inside and align the holes on the wall control with the holes on the wall box. Insert and tighten the 2 included wall switch screws. Align the wall plate over the wall control and insert and tighten the wall plate screws. At the ceiling box, combine the ground wires from the box, downrod, and hanger bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire from the fan to the neutral wire from the ceiling box. Combine the black wire from the fan to the primary hot wire from the ceiling box. Combine the red wire from the fan to the secondary hot wire from the ceiling box. If you are unsure about your home's wiring or do not have the electrical configuration to install the fan, contact customer service for assistance. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Assemble a canopy by sliding it up to the hanger bracket and twisting the keyhole slot over the loose screw. Align the holes and insert the removed screw. Tighten both screws securely. Slide the canopy cover over the screws and twist to lock into place. Remove the stopper on top of the motor by pressing the clip and sliding it out. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed slider changes the fan speed. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The oscillation switch activates the fan's 90-degree oscillation function. The oscillation can be stopped at any time to lock the fan in a desired angle. Never move the fan head manually. Doing so will damage the oscillation motor. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.